Ever heard of a crime where gum turned the tables on its thieves? Enter the scene of the Great Bubblegum Blunder, where two unfortunate souls thought a novelty gum collection was their ticket to fortune. Armed with a laughably poor plan, they set off every possible alarm when they accidentally burst a bubblegum balloon display. The resulting chaos? A sticky storm ensued, attaching them to the floor as pink bubbles surrounded the scene. Nearby shoppers, initially shocked, couldn't help but laugh as the duo struggled comically, ensuring their capture. This tale of a Chewy misadventure leaves behind a lesson. Sometimes, crime really does blow up in your face.